as Mr. Emeka receive small money for him account. Na so Mr. Emeka rush go buy one bag of rice. As he reach there, he ask the woman, "Madam, ego ole bụ otu akpa rice?" The woman talk say, "Otu akpa rice bụ 65,000 naira." Mr. Emeka rush use him last card buy the rice. As he dey come out, na so everybody just dey watch am. The first person wey see am na him friend.